Out here, there are no second chances. Every decision matters. Every second counts. And when the cost of failure is unthinkable, you don't settle for good enough. At Beyond Limits, we were never just building AI. We were building an autonomous future, from rovers navigating unknown terrain on Mars, from missions where failure wasn't an option. That same mindset now powers critical decisions here on Earth, from oil fields in the desert to power stations at the edge of the grid, to formulating precision chemicals, tracking identities at the world's borders, and deploying generative AI in environments where privacy isn't optional. It's everything. We go where others can't. We operate where data is patchy, where environments are extreme, and where privacy is non-negotiable. But this story isn't really about technology. It's about people, the ones who keep the world turning when no one's watching. A lone engineer in a control room, a crew chief on a windswept rig, a border officer making a call in real time, a worker whose decision must be right the first time. We're here for them, to support, to empower, to amplify their expertise with intelligence they can trust. Because when you're operating beyond the edge, you need more than AI, you need a partner, a trusted partner, who's worked in complex environments and come back with answers. Beyond AI you can trust, because when humans and AI work together, there are no limits.